Welcome. It is great to have you here. The Internet Marketer Training Channel presents how you can add a ton of free content to your website. The process is copy and paste easy and almost immediate. Mr. P is adding a new section to one of his sites, which is similar to building a new site. What you are about to see is a way that Mr. P is using to give his new edition a quick content boost. If you are interested in boosting your website, keep watching. The process that Mr. P is using for generating all this free content faster is called RSS. RSS stands for Really Simple Syndication. What this means to you is that you are going to be able to use some or all of other people's content for free. This is done by what is called an RSS feed. An RSS feed is no big deal. All it takes is knowing how to find the RSS URL or knowing where to go to access software that will do it for you. You are going to be able to put this RSS content on your website by way of an RSS viewer or by way of HTML. Do not be intimidated, you are about to see how this is copy and paste easy. So let's get started. There are several ways to set this up. Let's begin with a site that will do most of the work for us. The site is rss.app. Let's go to rss.app. This site is going to make things easy. Go to rss.app and click on Get Started Now. As you can see, rss.app will help you to create an RSS feed from almost any web page and from almost any niche. On the left side of the page, notice a list of categories. There is also a search box. Let's type the keywords, weight loss into the search box. Immediately, our RSS feed is ready. The URL that you see by the box that says copy can be pasted into your RSS viewer. If you have a WordPress site, you can add an RSS viewer plugin for free, however your RSS is going to look something like this. Mr. P prefers that it looks more like this. In order to get this, click on Widget and then, click on Add to Website. You now have access to an HTML code snippet. In JavaScript or iframe. Copy the snippet, and add it into your web page HTML, paste the code where you want your feed to appear. This is what your feed will look like, and you can add more than one feed if you want. If your website is new, if your website seems sparse when it comes to content, again, RSS is an easy way to get a quick content boost. What this means to you is that when your visitors arrive at your site, they see a lot more value, so they are more likely to stay and to return. Which is exactly what you want. If you like this video, if you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up, turn the like button black, do that right now, thank you. Allow me to invite you to join this channel. Hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell so that Mr. P can let you know whenever a new video is uploaded. Let's get back to our video. There is another way to find a website's RSS URL. Go to the website, then right-click on the page and click on View Page Source. This will take you to the HTML source. Now press Ctrl, which is Ctrl, and the letter F on your keypad, which will open a find box. Type in RSS. RSS will show up in red. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, if you have not done so already. Thank you, and join this channel. Allow me to wish you much success. I am rooting for you. Thank you for watching and I hope we will see you in the next video.